see how that goes. So we made it to Petty, and now we are just going to. Where's the exit? What bag? Maybe. Where? Oh God. Alright, so my mom found her Michael Kors place. Hopefully she finds the bag that she wants to get, and we will see. This is the bag over here. Where is it? That one? That's similar to it. But I don't think you have any other ones. No. Go ahead, shop around your Michael Kors spot. Michael Kors for sure. Well, they don't have your bag, Mom. I gotta buy some, what's those things called? Macaroons? I don't like macaroons. No, I mean, I gotta buy some of those for my friends. Toward the exit. Is that personal staff? Huh? No, we don't go to arrivals. We go to exit. Is this way? Baggages. Yeah, this way. Benefits? Ooh. They got Hugo Boss Rod. Alright guys, so we're here at our place of staying. This is the bed, and then this is my little bed right here. My baby bed. And this room is like, oh wow, you can't even see me. This room is really, really small, guys. I'm telling you, it's real small. Like, that is the room right there. Maybe it looks big on camera, but I'm telling you, it's real small. I could probably take from the front door, I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, and I'm already touching the other side of the wall. Like, this is a small room. You got your TV here, not too bad. And then we have our bathroom. Bathroom, it looks on point, which is this right here. It's so cute. It's cute, it's real cute. You have the mirror, you see the mirror over there, the shower over here. And yeah, that's it. And then you have the toilet, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Very simple. Right now we are going to go to the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower, and what else? And then we'll just travel. We'll just walk around. I don't know. This is my mom's first time in Paris. This is my second, and we should have a blast. And yeah, we are at the Eiffel Tower, guys. Check it out. We are here at the Eiffel Tower, baby. Look at that baby back there. Bonjour. Bonjour. Merci beaucoup. Merci. Hey. So, yeah, we're just walking around. I'm actually gonna wait until 6 o'clock because that's when the Eiffel Tower is supposed to light up, and that's supposed to be awesome. And you guys are gonna check that out. But we're at this building right here. No idea what this building is. For all of you guys who are out there and you have seen this building, what is it? Because I don't know. I don't understand what it is. I don't know. So you let me know. Go ahead and comment down in the, comment down below and let me know what's this building. What is that?
Oh, we gonna find out.
Yeah, we most likely gonna find out. But I don't know what it is. So we gonna find out. Mom, where you at?
Paris.
Hey, Mom, where you at?
Paris.
Are you in Hollywood, Florida, or?
I am in Paris.
Ooh, okay. Okay.
Bonjour.
Ooh.
Merci beaucoup.
Ooh, okay. It's video.
Oh, we're gonna have a glass of wine at the La Terrasse.
Terrace, something like that.
Oh, whatever it is.
your first day or first half day in Texas?
Listen, we walk, and we still gotta go back to the Eiffel Tower to see the lights.
See,
Okay.
we gotta go this way. And yeah,
Yeah, we walk. And we got another 3 miles to go back. We just had 2 big bowls of French fries. It's the best wine that you could ever have in France. I forgot the name of it, but I got the name somewhere.
I got the what's it called, the picture. So I'll show you guys what it actually is. But it's really good.
Yes, wine. It's better than Moscato, so you know it's dangerous.
Oh yeah, it's on some other level type stuff, and it's cheap. It's only like €9.
Yeah, so,
It's like $15.
I don't know what we're doing now. We
Oh, you want to take a picture?
oh what?
No, never mind. I thought it was gonna be something kind of cool. Apparently not.
And drink. They freaking drink.
Yeah. But I mean, that's all there really is. Oh, this is all the sports stuff. Soccer memorabilia.
Eat and drink.
Okay, now we're going back. Oh, this is tea. Kushmi tea is tea. It's like different types of teas, I guess.
Hold on, let me see if they have a hat.
Is this? Is this? I asked her how much it is. Get a beige one.
This one?
A beige.
This one we'll wear tomorrow, right?
Which one? What are you wearing tomorrow?
I'm wearing beige tomorrow.
Beige?
Yeah.
Oh, so then do something like.
That red would knock it out though.
All right, then do that.
Which one?
Any one you want.
I don't know which one I want.
Well, figure out which one you want. How much is it?
I don't know, $25.
Oh.
Good kind.
That's the thick material, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then pick whatever one you
I
want.
got the little thing on the top.
What little thing?
The wiggy wiggy.
The what?
The wiggy wiggy.
Oh my god.
But I don't know which one I'm wearing tomorrow. I got all beige, so what I will wear a beret. So you guys gonna see my outfit for tomorrow.
Beret.
A beret.
It's a beret.
I got a beret, so you guys gonna see my outfit for tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's gonna be on point.
Oh, there goes Mac. Wanna go in Mac?
I don't want to go in Mac because Mac is got a problem. Mac got a problem with me.
But yeah, this place seems like there's just tons of stuff going
It's
on.
like New York that never is. It's gorgeous, guys. It is so gorgeous.
Oh, never sees it, never really care about it. Hey.